Hey, what's up, YouTube? Kevin Anthony here. Today we are going to be talking about one move that you can do to her clit that will drive her wild. But before we do that, make sure that you show some love to the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Doing so helps us tremendously. It really helps get our information and our stuff out there. It really helps the channel, helps us continue doing what we do. Okay, before we talk about the one move, it's important to mention that every woman is different. And what one woman likes isn't necessarily what another woman likes. Some women like hard pressure, some women like soft pressure, some women like certain types of moves, some women like other types of moves. And then, of course, many women will change depending on the moment or change depending on the day. Like one day they want this, another day they want that. Maybe during the same session they want this now, but then it changes to something else. So always keep that in mind. There is no sort of one thing that will always do it for every woman, or even one thing that will always do it for your woman. However, having said that, there are some things in general that work really well. Okay, so what is the one move that's going to drive her wild? Well, it has to do with going down on her and giving her oral sex. Now, in general, women like really rhythmic motions when it comes to their clitoris. So this move is a rhythmic motion, and it is actually sucking on her clitoris. Now, hold on, slow down. Before you just go right on sucking on that thing, you need to know that the clitoris is extremely sensitive. There are more nerve endings on the clitoris than there are in the penis. So if you just go sucking on it like a popsicle, you're probably going to be giving her too much stimulation and it's not going to feel real great for her. So, first of all, before you do this move, warm her up with other stimulation. Get her clitoris engorged. Get her really into the moment and feeling the sensations before you go for this one. Once you've done that and you do go for it, start gently. So start with a little bit of light sucking. Pay attention to how she reacts to it. This is critical. So is she like, ooh, ooh, yeah, I really like that? Or is she like, too much, right? So you really have to pay attention to that. If she's in that, ooh, this really feels good, then you can take it a little bit more, a little bit more. But watch for where that edge is. There's going to be a sweet spot where she's really enjoying it. And if you go past that sweet spot, maybe not so much. So the key to this one is starting off gently and then really paying attention to how she's reacting. And if she's really liking it, stay with it, keep it rhythmic, keep going until you see a shift. And if for some reason it's no longer working for her, switch to another move. However, I can say that in general, this move works really, really well, especially once she's really warmed up. This could be that move that once you've been going down on her for a while, that sends her over the top and into a screaming orgasm. So there you go. That is the one move that you can do to her clit that will absolutely drive her wild. So your challenge is to go ahead and try it and see how it works. And let me know in the comments if it worked well for you.